Homemade facial toner for acne. Himalayan salt is quite good for acne-prone skin, since it tightens and firms the skin, and reduces large pores. Acne toner recipe. Take a 4 ounces spray bottle, and add in it 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt crystals, 1 teaspoon of liquid coconut oil, and 1-2 drops of lemon oil. At the end, pour in 1/4 cup of distilled water, and shake the bottle, to mix the ingredients. Use this facial toner twice a day, in the morning, and in the evening, on your clean face. There is no need to use it more frequently, as it may dry up your skin too much. So, when your face is clean and dry, close the eyes, and spray this toner all over your face, and let it dry up naturally. After that, you need to moisturize your face. Take some shea butter, add a few drops of frankincense oil, and massage it onto your face. Himalayan salt benefits for acne-prone skin. Since Himalayan salt is drying, it tightens the skin, removes excess oils, and shrinks large pores. It contains lots of valuable minerals, such as magnesium, potassium, sodium, and iron, which make your skin look glowing. Himalayan salt is a natural antiseptic, so it kills acne-causing bacteria. It also helps detoxify skin, keeping it clean and acne-free, and preventing acne breakouts. It is also a good idea to use Himalayan salt on a regular basis, as a condiment. In this way, it will help maintain the proper skin health, and fight against acne from within.